Thank you, Warrior Goals. Pagpagin mo na, baka naman.
Ba't na ako sa mga busy?
Kulang pa ako 9K, oh. Pagpag mo, baka meron pa ako natitira dyan. Kapatid ko dito nagsusugal. Mga kampon ng ano to, eh.
Normal lang yun.
Ayan, nagsusugal. Pagkada Sabado, may session sila dito nagsusugal. Shawi, Angel Pros. Maglulubangan lang yun.
May utang pa ako sa 20. Yung nakaraan na bumili ako.
Mabutit daw si Ma.
Dry mouth, Shawi. Shawi po sa lahat. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Ako lahat.
Thank you for the help and support. Ay, Pasaydo, wag mo na pa. Bagsak mo na yan. Thank you.
Uy. Ba't yung mag-ano dyan?
Ghost Warrior, where are you from? Thank you. Why do you know how to talk in Tagalog? You have a lot of Filipino friends.
50 kayo naman.
Wala na ako sa gitna, no?
You have a lot of Filipino friends. I'm assuming that you have a lot of Filipino friends because you know how to speak Tagalog. Ah, so you're from USA. Nice meeting you here. Hi, Ray. Kasexy naman. Sakto lang, Ray. Sakto lang. Uy. Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon. Thank you. Wait, I have to go to the CEO. Konti lang. Yeah. Konti lang Tagalog. So you have a lot of friends because Filipino friends because you know how to speak a bit of Tagalog. And that's good to know. I like you. Thank you. Hi, dear GF. Who's your dear GF? Is that me? Thank you for the help. Yeah, I'm your girlfriend na from now on.
Talo pa yun sa akin, no?
Mali mo, dalawa.
Oo nga, no?
Ano yun is that?
Oo nga, baka dalawa.
China all. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning po. Thank you. Thank you for the following and thank you for the support and help as well, guys. Thank you. Much
May
appreciated.
dress ako eh, di ko lang ano. Kanino to?
Thank you.
Ayoko na mabito, ah. Ayun, ma.
How long have you been here, Ghost?
Ay, nagkat mo na lang na ulitin mo. Sa class na lang, isa lang.
You made a lot of friends here as well. Shawi, good morning. Wait, I have to go to the bathroom first. Shawi po. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wait, I have to. Teka lang, please. Ha? May natin ka cash?
Ako ngayon.
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Nay,
Ah.
may tungay ka?
Ala,
Ako, papapala yan.